Okay, today we're gonna show how to install hand masker, how to install paper, plastic, and tape. So when you buy it, it comes like this separately. So what you do is you put it like this, either one you want, but I usually put on the second hole right there, and then I put it up like this. And that's it. It clicks. It's good. But you got to be careful. This is sharp, so you don't cut yourself. You can use like rag or something to pop it. And then also, if you want to take it off, it's a pain in the butt to take it off. So for you guys to take this off, if you need to replace it, if it's bent or something, so you go with the screwdriver the best way, and go inside and just pop it just like that, and it's off. Just be careful so you don't cut yourself. So yeah, and then there's two types of blades. This one's for paper and this one's for plastic. So make sure you buy the one, if you buy the one for plastic, it'll work for both paper and plastic. But if you buy one for paper, see how it's not sharp right here? Then it will only work for paper because it won't cut the plastic. So what I would do first is grab the paper. Don't take the sticker off yet. You put it in like this, and then just push it in. Just be careful, don't touch that. Make sure this is lifted, and that's it. That's how it's on. And then you put the same way tape just on this side all the way, so it's flat on both here and then here. And then when you take this tape, go like this inside this thing and over paper, just like that. When you go here, take this sticker off, peel it off, that's it. And then make sure it's this way inside here, and there you go. To rip the paper, you have to go like this. This comes this way and then out, and more this way, like this. So you gotta do fast so it's straight. I'll show you one more time. So now I'm gonna load plastic. It's the same thing as paper. You load, lift this thing up, and hold it, and slowly, bam, that's it. And then put tape on, boom, and make sure you rip this. Plastic has this thing right here. You go like this. And that's it. Easy as that. A couple times I'll show you how to rip it. Make sure you hold it straight and go like that. Make sure you do it quick. That's it. And what's good about plastic is this one can cover 72 inches, which is 6 feet. You have two hand maskers. That way when you work, you can have paper and plastic. So the reason, like I was saying before, be careful for the sharp edges, and the more sharp is for plastic and the more dull is for paper. So I'll show you, for example, what if you would have switched it. let's say I take this paper out, take plastic out and put it the one on the dull side and show you how it is. I'm gonna go and try to rip this. You won't rip because it's gonna be really hard to rip. See? Doesn't want to rip. So yeah, make sure you buy the right blade if you're using plastic. And these, they cost around anywhere from $30 to $50, and they're really worth having one. Saves a lot of time. I would definitely invest in at least one of them.